You copy something, then copy something else, and boom, the first one's gone forever. But if I told you Windows 11 secretly saves everything you copy, like text, links, images, and you can bring them all back anytime. In this video, I will show you how to unlock these hidden clipboard history features that will make your work 10x faster and smarter. So let's get started. I'm Vijay and you are watching Hello Helper, your shortcut and smarter tech tips. Step 1. Enable clipboard history. First press Windows+V key on your keyboard. If this is your first time, you will see a small pop-up saying clipboard history is off. Just click on turn on. Here you will see turn on. Just click on turn on and done. Now your PC will start saving your copied item. Step 2. Access your clipboard anytime. Now whenever you copy something, text, a link or even a small image, just press Window key and V again. You will see your full list of copied items. Simply click on any item to paste it instantly anywhere. No need to recopy. So this is the sample thing. Here I'm going to share with you how it will work. So simply I'm going to press here and boost your PC speed instantly. Step 3. Pin important items. Get something you use often like your email, a code snippet or a hashtag. So what you will do? Here you will see this 3-dot icon. Click on the 3-dot icon and next to it and choose pin. This way it says on top even if you clear your clipboard later. Step 4. Clear or sync across devices. To clear old clips, just open Windows+V key and here you will get pop-up box. You simply click here, clear all. And here's a pro tip: if you use multiple devices with the same Microsoft account, go to settings, then find out system, then find out clipboard. You simply scrolling down it and you will get this clipboard. You simply click on it and here you will see sync across devices. You simply click on it and then you will enable it. Okay, here you can easily enable your sync across the device. So right now this is not linked with the Microsoft account, that's why it is not showing. But if your PC is connected with the Microsoft account, then you will get sync across devices. You simply click on. Okay, so that will enable. And that's it. You just unlocked one of the most powerful productive tools inside Windows 11. If this helped you, hit that like button and comment clipboard magic below. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Helper for more hidden Windows and AI tricks every day. I'm Vijay signing off. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.